Divorce Recovery Coach. After my divorce, I was drowning. It wasn't a sudden plunge, but a slow, creeping flood of grief, anger, and utter confusion that filled up every corner of my life until I couldn't breathe. Every morning, I'd wake up with this weight on my chest, and the reality of my new life felt like a cold, empty concrete building that was impossible to navigate. I had no idea how to have a simple conversation with my ex, let alone figure out how to co-parent two kids who were just as lost as I was. I was completely, terrifyingly stuck, just adrift in a sea of what-ifs and if-onlys. This is the story of how I found a lifeline. It's how working with a divorce recovery coach didn't just keep me afloat, but actually taught me how to swim again. It gave me the practical tools and emotional support I desperately needed to not just heal, but to build an entirely new and better life from the wreckage. In those first few months, my life felt like one constant low-grade panic attack. The logistical nightmare of separating two lives was one thing. The endless paperwork, the financial disclosures, the sheer volume of decisions I had to make while I was an emotional wreck. But the real battle was internal. It was the feeling of failure that hung over me like a cloud. It was the anxiety that shot through me every time my phone buzzed with a message from my ex, twisting my stomach into a knot of dread. Co-parenting was the absolute epicenter of the chaos. Every interaction felt like a minefield. A simple question about homework could explode into an argument about the past. Drop-offs and pickups were these tense, silent exchanges where you could just feel the unspoken resentment in the air. I was so consumed by my own pain and anger that I couldn't figure out how to put my kids' well-being first. I was just reacting, not responding. I was surviving, not living, and I felt so alone in it, convinced that nobody could possibly understand the unique mix of heartbreak, fury, and fear I was feeling. I was lost in the story of my divorce, replaying every painful scene, analyzing every single mistake. And that's where I was stuck, in the past, in the pain, completely unable to see a way forward. I knew I needed help, but I didn't know what kind. Therapy felt like it would just keep me focused on the past, on untangling the why. What I needed was someone to help me with the how. How do I get through today? How do I talk to him without losing my mind? How do I build a future when my present is in pieces? That's when I stumbled across the idea of a divorce recovery coach. At first, I was skeptical. Was this just another flavor of therapy? Another person to tell my sad story to? But the more I read, the more I got the fundamental difference. A therapist helps you unpack the suitcase of your past to understand how it all got packed. A divorce coach looks at your packed bags and asks, "Okay, where are we going?" Their focus isn't on the rearview mirror, it's on the road ahead. A divorce coach is your thinking partner, your strategist, and your emotional guide, all in one. They're trained professionals who specialize in the practical and emotional chaos of divorce. They don't just offer a safe space to talk about your feelings, they give you actionable strategies, tools, and a personalized plan to navigate the whole journey. They bridge the gap between the legal advice you get from a lawyer and the deep emotional work you do with a therapist. Their job is to help you turn the overwhelming story of your divorce into the manageable business of your divorce, so you can make clear-headed decisions that serve your future. I realized this was exactly what I needed, not just someone to understand my pain, but someone to hand me a map and a compass to find my way out of it. So, what did working with a coach actually look like? It wasn't about endless, tearful sessions. It was about practical, focused work that started to create real shifts in my life right away. First, let's talk about the coach as the strategist and planner. My coach helped me get my act together. Before, talking to my lawyer felt like walking into a final exam I hadn't studied for. My coach helped me streamline everything. We prepared questions for my lawyer to make our time more efficient. which saved me a ton of time and money in the long run. We organized financial documents and created a clear roadmap for the legal process, mapping out my short-term and long-term goals. This flipped the script. I went from being a passive, overwhelmed participant to an active, informed driver of the whole process. I wasn't just reacting to legal letters anymore. I was anticipating, planning, and making decisions from a place of clarity, not chaos. Another huge area is the coach as the communication guide, especially for co-parenting. This was life-changing. My coach and I worked on setting up new, healthy boundaries with my ex. She helped me understand that respectful, constructive communication wasn't about being his friend. It was about being a responsible co-parent. She gave me actual scripts and phrases to use. We practiced how to keep conversations focused only on the kids and how to de-escalate conflict before it started. Suddenly, I had tools. Instead of flying off the handle at a triggering text, I had a pre-planned, neutral response ready to go. This brought the conflict way down and started to— And finally, there's the role of the emotional regulator. A divorce coach doesn't just say it's okay to feel sad. They teach you how to manage that avalanche of emotions. My coach gave me practical stress management techniques, like specific breathing exercises to do before a tough phone call, or mindfulness practices to pull me out of an anxiety spiral. We used journaling prompts that helped me process my grief and anger in a constructive way, so I wasn't carrying it into every other part of my life. This wasn't about bottling up my feelings, but about learning how to navigate them without letting them steer the ship. It was about building the resilience I needed to face the daily challenges of divorce head on. Once the immediate crisis started to die down, the focus of our coaching shifted. We moved from just getting through the divorce to actually rebuilding my life. This is where the true transformation kicked in. First, we focused on rebuilding self-esteem and identity. After years of being part of a couple, it's so easy to feel like you've lost yourself. My identity was wrapped up in being a wife and a partner. When that was gone, I wasn't sure who I was. Through targeted exercises and goal setting, my coach helped me reconnect with my own interests, passions, and strengths. We worked on building my confidence back up, one small, achievable goal at a time. It wasn't about big, grand gestures. It was about rediscovering the person who existed outside of the marriage. It empowered me to make decisions that were about my own values and my own goals, not someone else's. That led right into the future focus that is so central to coaching. Coaching is all about moving forward. My coach helped me stop letting my divorce define me and start creating a vision for my future. We set meaningful goals for my career, my social life, and my personal growth. We created a real, actionable plan to build a life that wasn't just a new normal, but something that actually felt exciting and full of possibility. It shifted my entire mindset from loss and defeat to one of opportunity and reinvention. My divorce was no longer the end of my story. It became the catalyst for my next chapter. Looking back, the difference is night and day. Before my coach, a co-parenting drop-off was a 15-minute ordeal of anxiety beforehand, a tense and silent exchange, and then a 30-minute mental replay of every look and perceived insult. After coaching, I had a plan. I had a script ready for anything. I did a 2-minute breathing exercise in the car, and I had something planned for myself right after to refocus my energy on my own life. The event itself didn't change, but my ability to— Before, a legal email would send me into a tailspin of fear and confusion that would ruin my entire day. After, I had a system, I would read it, use my coach's framework to pull out the key questions, and send a clear, concise email to my lawyer. I felt in control again. The coaching process gave me my power back. It gave me the tools to get through the mess of my divorce with dignity and to make healthy choices for myself and my kids. It taught me that while I couldn't control my ex's behavior, I could absolutely control my own. If my story sounds familiar, if you feel lost in that same sea of confusion and grief, please know you do not have to go through it alone. The support of a divorce coach can make all the difference, turning an overwhelming nightmare into a real opportunity for growth. Many coaches offer free initial consultations to see if it's the right fit for you. I've left a link in the description below to a resource that can help you find a certified coach. And if you're on this journey of rebuilding and want more content on navigating life after divorce with strength and purpose, please hit that subscribe button. A divorce recovery coach is a strategist, a communication guide, an emotional regulator, and a confidence builder. They give you personalized, practical guidance to help you through one of life's toughest transitions. They don't just help you survive a divorce, they empower you to come out the other side stronger, more resilient, and with a clear vision for a future you are genuinely excited to build. My divorce was the most painful experience of my life, but it didn't break me. It broke me open, and with the right support, it became the foundation for a more authentic, fulfilling, and joyful life. You can have that too.